Do you know many people are having trouble with the flickering white light on their Plantronics M25 headset? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Activate M25 headset. Activate your Plantronics M25 headset. The light should be flashing in red and white, indicating it is in pairing mode. Step 2. Enable phone Bluetooth. Enable the Bluetooth setting on your phone. Use the phone's menu to look for new Bluetooth devices. Step 3. Select PLTM25M20. Find and select PLTM25M29 in a list of available Bluetooth devices. Step 4. Enter Bluetooth passcode. Type in 0 as the passcode if your phone prompts for it. Step 5. Wait for connection. Wait until the headset's LED light stops flashing red and white. This signifies a successful connection. Step 6. Start making calls. You're all set now. Start making calls using your phone's keypad or voice dialing feature. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully control the flickering light and connect your Plantronics M25 headset with your phone. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Plantronics users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.